Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll guide you through every fascinating step of how smartwatches are made, from raw materials to the finished wearable technology.
Get those glass panels inside Bay 3.
Copy that. Watch the frames.
The diagnostic overlay shows a thermal anomaly in Sector C. We need to recalibrate the robotic arm's trajectory immediately. Every smartwatch begins with a powerful brain, assembled with microscopic accuracy.
Each sensor is carefully integrated to deliver accurate health and performance tracking.
We could the grid Tasler. We never compromise on quality. You can fly, even at the smallest level.
Hardware meets intelligence as each device receives its digital core.
The connectivity seems stable. Look at the data here.
Yes, battery performance is optimal. We can sign off on this unit.
Only flawless smartwatches earn approval.
Look at the thermal readings here.
They're higher than expected. Adjusting the parameters.
And that's how smartwatches are made. Flygskaprints, combining precision engineering and modern technology.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours, process documentaries, and behind-the-scenes insights.